This boy Lou coming back to you with some of this exclusive shit. See the sign that bling blow. Got that Ford Thunderbird, that T-Bird action. Original. White interior. Look at the owner. He wiping on there as it coming out the garage. Y'all see what it is. Y'all YouTube fan. That's what it do. Wiping it down. Flip lights. No dents.
Turn the light
no
on.
scratches. You see it. HIDs. And they work. We ain't bullshitting. This Atlanta, baby. And she ready. You here. You here. Woo. We're gonna stay out of there. He ain't even finished inside. You see, they got the white in there. Just got finished doing a little work on it. Had to pull out. Had to pull out. Yeah, spit. Two though. What we do. Woo. You know, I'm a Chevrolet man, but I get credit where credit's due. There it is. Yeah. What year is it? 77. T-Bird, you hear it. That thing about to head down through the city right now. It's Sunday. That thing finna hit the city. Fresh brakes, fresh wide, fresh whack. Come on, man. We don't just hit the city and ride half-ass. We go out there, no squeak, no squeal. Woo! Killing them. Fucking sun blinging on that motherfucker. Look at that shit. Woo. Little walk around.